There goes, Chopper's Reel 1 here. Well, it's done. Look at that. One of my first upholstery jobs. Don't judge. I know it's crap, but hey, it works. I got this from Spotlight here in Australia. It's actually upholstery material, so that worked out well. I've changed the fishing rod holder to this side. I still have my drink holder over there that I'm not sure if I'm going to use yet, but we'll see what happens. I bolted down my light holder and my light comes in and out real easy. It works. There you go, shine the light out in there. I can move this to wherever I want it to go. So it's done, guys. It's done. All I can do now is paint it. I'll have some updates on what paint colours I got, and I'll let you guys choose what colour I paint it. But yep, it's officially finished. So that's really cool. I'm happy with that. Alright guys, that's it. Like, comment, subscribe, and be kind to your mates. Bye for now.